So now I want to show you twists. Twisting the hair till it coils up on itself can add a fun detail. I know I did a lot of this in the 90s, but these young kids coming up, that was 20 years ago. They've never seen it before. So bring it back. Bring it back. So I'm gonna keep the twist in, and this top up here that I'm gonna do the twist so you can see. Now, what I would do is, depending on how much hair, if someone doesn't have all this length, let's say they only got that much length, and I put it in one ponytail. Now, look at how much wasted length there is. If they don't have a really tall crown, put it in 2 ponytails. So you've just now gained a couple of inches of hair. And wherever the ponytails are is what you're going to build your design and your height around. So I'm going to go in here with 2 ponytails. You can see her from the front. So her ponytail is here, and now I will design in this section. So depending on how much detail and what you want these coils to look like, and this is for the courses that have coils in the design, I wanted to give you a live version of what the coils look like. You can do a cute, like, I know the kids, a lot of the kids wear the little headbands with cat ears. You could almost create like a cat ear kind of look with these knots in this place, and kids would love it. They would absolutely love it. And speaking of that, I think an important thing is to stay current. And I'm probably speaking more so to the stylists in my generation. Watch music videos, watch Disney movies and TV shows, see what they're doing, see what the kids are doing, see what they're doing with their hair. Go to the mall, and you know what, just this day in the mall, I'm gonna just look at hair. I'm gonna see what these kids are doing. And it's eye-opening, and I think it's important to be up on what's current for them, and I just find it fascinating. I just really do. So, I'm gonna do one coil with one big piece, just so you get the idea. So literally it's just twisting. And then eventually the coil gets so tight that it goes down onto itself. You can see, right? Okay, and it's just a cool thing. So you got, look, little cat ears. How adorable would that be? Or your coils could be looser, or you can coil your way into a direction. But you just keep coiling until it goes down. Now, if you want that messier look, you could just, I'm gonna put an elastic here to just control these ends. And kind of let it do its thing. Maybe you could do with a flat kind of look, or you could do that tight look. It's really up to you and your creativity. When your hair is up in sections and the creativity comes at the end, it's a lot of fun. You could just break it up and you know, feed the coil through. Just spread it out. I kind of like what's going on there with the spreading it out a little bit. And you don't have to always do braids. Braids take up a lot of hair, and sometimes you don't have hair to spare. So you're getting this messy, loose kind of look without braids. I'm going to go in with this little one and pin it right over the top of my French twist there, and that would be just a kind of a thing. If you wanted some really detailed coils, and they can take time when you're doing detailed ones. You know, they're small. It's just like doing a lot of small braids. They can take up time. And I'm kind of the thought process. You know, I worked in a beautiful salon down in Westport, Connecticut, and everyone had an assistant. And if you're working on a couple of kids and you can say to an assistant, all right, this section here I want you to make coils, and you can go and work on someone else, that would be another way. You know, I know colorists and stuff do that, and cutters sometimes have someone else do the blowouts. And so think about it with updos. You know, if someone really wants to apprentice in updos, then maybe you can get them during prom season or wedding season. It's not all year round. It could be, it depends on how busy your salon is. Weddings certainly are year round, but prom's not. And then, you know, give them, put hot rollers in this for me, or make 5 braids over here for me, and then you can bounce around between 2 and 3 kids at a time. So if you're gonna do the tight coils, like I said, they take a little bit of time. But you know, even if you did a couple of tight coils and you just did a little, you know, wrap them around the ponytail like that, that would be cute too. Then you can have like half up and half down, and then now you got these little coils around a ponytail, and not always braids. You know, braids just kind of a little bit, I don't know, maybe I'm dating myself, but have more of a country kind of feel, or a boho kind of thing, where the knots to me are a little bit more clubbing kind of feel. They're a little bit more avant-garde. So that's my take on, or not knots, I'm sorry, the coils are a little bit more avant-garde than if you wrap this ponytail with a braid. That would be a little bit more boho. So coils tight, coils spread out. Thank you.